Taking a look at AMD here, and AMD here down about 1.5% today. Current price $96. Mentioned in our previous video that this is a dip opportunity. Now I'm going to go ahead and continue to share with you where I think the support is, where I think the bottom is. And again, it's just my personal opinion here. With the Fibonacci retracement, I think the bottom for AMD is at $88. Now, am I waiting for $88 to occur and then buying? In my opinion, no. Personally, what I'm doing is I'm adding small positions at a time while we are in this range between 115 and 88. So as you can see here in my portfolio, I'll be adding small shares here, 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 and here, and just waiting as we dip down, 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 down. Right? I'm not trying to time the bottom. I'm just adding over time, and I don't mind being down in the short term. The overall market is down anyways, and so I do expect to see a reversal in the market. And that does include AMD as well. Look out for a reversal for AMD towards 115, and by the end of 2025, my prediction for AMD is going to be closer towards 141, possibly 130. That's something to keep an eye out for a reversal. And if we go ahead and measure the current move, right? So here at 96, the current move all the way to 141 is approximately a 46% move. Now let's say you watch this video and you don't do anything about it, right? And you get back in at like 115 because you missed the dip opportunity. If you're waiting for 115, that could be like a confirmation of a reversal in the market, right? A test towards 141, that's still a 23% move. So if you're waiting for a confirmation and you're too possibly afraid of buying the dip, right? Now I'm not forcing to do that. I'm just sharing with you that I think buying the dip, in my opinion, is a better idea, right? Not catch the knife, but add small amounts over time as we get a potential reversal in the market. Watch out for that move towards 141. But say you missed the dip opportunity, 115 here being a retest back up towards the top side, right? This would be a 23% move towards 141. And again, I can't guarantee that this is going to test or hit by the end of the year, but that's just my personal prediction here for AMD. And now let's just say somehow $88 is the bottom and somehow you manage to purchase it at 88 shares. From 88, that is a 60% move towards the top side. And then in terms of the daily chart, we do have a bearish crossover. As you can see, I have this setup here where we're having a continuation of a move up, down, up, down, up, down, but we're making lower highs and also lower lows. And so eventually we should be able to break out of this pattern, and I believe we should get that test towards 115 into 141. Again, that's just my personal opinion. 88 here, going to be a bottom for AMD. What am I going to do if AMD drops below 88 and I was wrong, right? I'll still be doing the same thing. I'll be adding small amounts of shares over time because long term, I believe AMD will get a reversal in the market. And once that pattern breaks out, you can see there's going to be quite a volatile move towards the top side. We're already having this volatile move towards the downside. What I want to do is be buying into the fear and not buying into the greed, right? I don't want to be buying on the way up. I want to be buying on the way down so that I can potentially start shaving on the way up. That's just how I think. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. If you're long-term or short-term in AMD, are you bullish or bearish on AMD right now? I think this is a great dip opportunity. Let me know what you guys think. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. I will be making more AMD videos. And lastly, if you want to join our Discord, you can talk about due diligence, discussions, share opinions, and ask questions. Link down below in the description for our Discord with over 32,000 members. It's free to join too. And lastly, if you want to join our Patreon for our live entries and exits, that does include stocks and options. We do have a 90% off permanent discount. Link down below in the description. It's a permanent discount as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. So all the new members that joined today are represented as early supporters. So feel free to check out the Patreon if that's something you're interested in. All right. We'll see you on the next video for AMD.